India has set an ambitious target in the new foreign trade policy to achieve $2 trillion export by 2030. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is India's new foreign trade policy. Friends, firstly let me define the foreign trade policy. It is a set of guidelines and instruction which is made by the Director General of Foreign Trade Policy, and the main focus of this foreign trade policy is to increase the export of India and to generate employment as well as to do a value addition in the country's development. If I talk about the current foreign trade policy, which was established on 1st of April 2015, in the view of new startups as well as Digital India, the Ease of Doing Business initiative, and it was extended for 3 years in 2020 in the COVID-19 time, and now the new foreign trade policy will launch on 1st of April this year. And in this new foreign trade policy, India has taken that target to achieve $2 trillion export by 2030. Now let's talk what are the expectations from the new foreign trade policy of India. Then first let me talk about the major expectation firstly. Then first is to achieve the $5 trillion economy target, and second to establish district export hub. Friends, now let's talk some other expectation. Then first is to upgrade the infrastructure. Today China is the export hub only by because of the road networks, great motorways, as well as the great railways development. And India have also to do that. And India is on the way. And for that, in this budget of 2023, India has raised 33% of the infrastructure development budget. Second, to uh, to increase the awareness in the export field. Like today, we can see India has the lack of awareness in the export, and our traders have not good knowledge of the international law of trade as well as GI tag and some other rules. So, after the government program and workshop, we can definitely educate them. In my conclusion, I want to say today India want to be $5 trillion economy, and for that India's new trade policy will definitely help to achieve that. And India have to compete with China in the export. Then firstly we need to develop all the infrastructure, and then we can definitely achieve our goals. Thank you.